welcome to my vlog. So for today, we're going to cook tilapia escabeche with tofu, Bisaya version, my own version, Shagres version. So we need fish, tilapia. So ipiprito ko siya later. And then need garlic. This one, garlic, white onion, red onion, bell pepper, and this one chili, and this one is garlic leaves, and this one is luya, ginger, this one tofu. Okay, proceed na tayo. Keep on watching, guys. So, ayan. Pinaligtad ko na. After nito, magsusutay na tayo. Ayan, next naman. Next, yung ating tofu. So, next naman yung ating red and white onion. Okay na natin si red onion. Sutay muna si red onion. Next, garlic, luya, ginger. Sutay lang. So, nasutay na natin yung ating ginger. Next naman yung white onion and bell pepper. So, yan, nilagay na natin. Sutay natin. Sutay. Next, yung ating bell pepper. Yan. So, ito na guys ang aking toyo. Lagyan natin. So, saute muna. Lalagyan ko siya ng konti lang sugar. Brown sugar. So, lalagyan natin siya ng isang kutsarang sugar. Brown sugar. So, saute ulit. So, next, lalagyan natin ng paminta. Isang sachet na paminta. And then, saute. Itikman natin. And then, next, ihulog na natin si garlic leaves. And yung ating sili. Ito. Yan. Tapos, saute. So, ayan na guys, ang aking escabeche with tofu. Tilapia. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And kung gusto nyo, click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video kung gusto nyo lang. Thank you so much again, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless all.